Hey guys, I'm back for another review. This is probably the last one I'll do on not HD quality. It was a long time when I made another video, but oh well. Now, talking about the HD video quality, it's gonna come very soon. It's gonna be very close. Well, what you're seeing before you is a dinosaur machine from the Euros. Then open and close it, like the mix of them. You can probably see that great. And yeah, all the pieces. Yeah, every hero can ride this thing. Because and it does. Two guns on the side. You can see the other one right there on the lefting. And for the legs, you can see very nice and neat. I really wanted to build something on there, but I didn't actually have time. Up top is actually the most picture. See the Euro core. Up here, Euro core. Gonna move very slowly so you guys can see it. And the back down. Yes, that sword as the point of the tail. So it has range attack. It has range attack. And near attack. You know what I mean. And yeah, that's kind of all for the review. It's just a mock I made. It's not real in stores. So some guys were just about to. Where did you get that? No, it was I just built it by my own. It was not in stores. Okay. Thank you. Bye.